Practicing English by yourself can be very effective if you use the right methods. Here are some ways to start. 1. Speaking practice. Think in English. Try to describe your daily activities in English in your mind. Speak out loud. Talk to yourself about your day, plans, or thoughts. Record yourself. Speak on a topic, record it, and listen to improve pronunciation. 2. Listening practice. Listen to English songs, podcasts, and audiobooks. Watch English movies or TV shows with subtitles. Try to repeat sentences after hearing them, shadowing technique. 3. Reading practice. Read books, newspapers, or online articles in English. Learn new words and use them in sentences. Try to summarize what you read in your own words. 4. Writing practice. Keep a daily journal in English. Write short stories, essays, or social media posts. Practice writing dialogues and conversations. 5. Grammar and vocabulary. Use apps like Duolingo, Grammarly, or BBC Learning English. Learn 5 to 10 new words daily and use them in sentences. Solve grammar exercises online. 6. Thinking and translating. Try to translate your thoughts into English instead of your native language. Describe what you see around you in English. 7. Join online communities. Engage in online forums, language exchange groups, or social media discussions. Find a language partner for practice. Consistency is key. Keep practicing every day and you will see improvement. Would you like help with a study plan? Hello, everyone. My name is Ravinder Singh, and I am excited to introduce myself. I come from Himachal Pradesh and have a strong passion for learning new things. Professionally, I work as a production manager. I enjoy learning new things and challenging myself to grow. In my free time, I love listening to music, which help me stay creative and motivated. I believe in hard work, positivity, and teamwork. I'm looking forward to connecting with all of you and sharing our experiences. Thank you for this opportunity. Nice to meet you all.
If you want to improve your English fluency and enhance your vocabulary, then like and subscribe to our channel. We will help you improve your English fluency. Watch our video daily, 5 times a week. When the same words reach your ears repeatedly, English will automatically come out of your mouth. Listen to the video carefully and practice speaking by turning off the audio. Consistency is the key to fluency. Watch our videos regularly and see your English improve naturally. With daily practice, the words will become familiar and speaking will feel effortless. Don't just learn, immerse yourself. Stay committed, keep practicing, and soon you'll speak English with confidence. Start today. Let's start the video. If you are enjoying the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoying the video? Hit the like button and subscribe for more amazing content. Your support keeps us motivated. Stay connected.